Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the table trick. Table of 18 trick. We will learn like how you can these trick apply in your exam or in any place if you forgot the table 18. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe our channel so that you can learn these type of tricks and some other quizzes which can be helpful for your exam or for your any entry tests of in your engineering or something. So let's start the topic. Like today, we will learn the table of 18 tricks. So here we have to divide table 18, like here we have 18 table from 1 to 10, and we have to divide this table into two parts, like 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. Now we have to write here the odd number first. In this line we will write the odd number. The odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And in second part, we have to write the even number after 9, just like 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18, right? And now we have to write the even number from 0. Here, we have to write again the even number. So, here we will write like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And again, we will write here even number. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? So this is the table 18 trick. You can see using the calculator, like if we calculate 8, 15, 15, 8 5s are 90. So here we have the 90. And if you say like 18 multiplied by 8, so 144. So this is correct. So this is the very short trick. You can apply this trick in any exam if you forget the table 18. So thank you for watching today class, and please like and subscribe our channel so that you can learn these type of tricks which can help you in exams.